Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Nissan Altima look better. We'll start by focusing on one of the most impactful changes, your wheels and tires. Swapping out factory wheels for a more aggressive or stylish set can instantly elevate your car's presence. Consider an 18 or 19-inch diameter for a balanced look, and pair them with performance-oriented tires. This single modification offers a significant visual upgrade, making your Altima stand out on the road. Next, let's talk about achieving that perfect, sporty stance. Lowering your Altima's suspension is a fantastic way to eliminate unsightly fender gap and give it a much more aggressive look. Coilover systems are an excellent choice, allowing you to fine-tune your ride height and even improve handling. A modest drop of about 1 to 2 inches can make a huge difference, transforming your Altima from a standard sedan into a head-turning machine with a purposeful posture. Now, let's refine the exterior details to complete your Altima's transformation. Consider adding a subtle front lip spoiler or side skirts to give it a more aggressive, lower profile without being over the top. Window tint is another excellent modification, offering both privacy and a sleek, unified aesthetic. Finally, upgrading your exterior lighting to modern LED bulbs can significantly improve visibility and give your Altima a contemporary, high-end feel, especially at night. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, maintaining a pristine appearance is key to making your Altima look its best. Regular washing, waxing, and sealing protect your paint from environmental damage and keep it looking glossy. Consider professional paint correction to remove any swirl marks or minor scratches, restoring a showroom-quality finish. A clean, well-maintained interior also contributes significantly to the overall appeal, ensuring your Altima always looks and feels fantastic, inside and out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.